Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and I do children's books, and here on my drawing channel I am doing the next day of my 30-day drawing challenge. Now for this one I'm going to be working in markers. I already have here an inked drawing of Ace. He's the sidekick of Lotta from my Wild West comic strip, Poison Ivy Gulch. Alright, let's get started here. Alright, now I'm going to be using markers. Alright, let's see if we can get him colored in here. Alright, we're going to start with the flesh tones. I'm using the beach color for the Blick brand studio markers. Alright. As I told you before, I love working with markers. You can work very quickly with these. They dry pretty quick too. Now you see. Right here. Alright, let's see. Let's get the rest of this colored in. Alright, let's get his face colored in. Markers are a very good choice for coloring media. Yeah, if you're not too familiar, you should go back and check my past video I did on coloring with markers. I'm going to move on to his hair there, his brown hair. He has dark brown chocolate colored hair, not unlike me. There we are. Alright, there we go. And now Ace is starting to look like something here. Alright, let's just break out the next phases here. I'm going to break out the next part. I'm going to color in his hair. We're going to use a sienna color Blick Studio marker. Alright. Let's get that colored in. You notice here that Ace is dressed in buckskin, which was, of course, a very popular fashion out in the Old West. Alright, yeah. See? Now that drawing is starting to look like something. Alright, let's get the rest of this done. After that, I'm going to work on his Billy Jack style hat there. I prefer markers over colored pencils, which is what I did yesterday with Lotta. There we go. Alright, let's get the rest of this colored in here. Alright then. Alright, now I've chosen for his hat here, a color it's not quite black. This is going to be a very dark, cool gray. It'll look dark enough. Where's a feathered Billy Jack style hat? Alright, there we go. There we are. Now I'm going to just work on his hat band and the feather there in his hat. Now for that, I'm going to use this color marker. It's called Vivid Green. Alright, let's get his hat band colored in, then we'll do that feather. Now, I really like drawing Ace. To be honest, he's the character I identify with most in Poison Ivy Gulch. Alright, let's get that feather there. Alright, I'm going to do his neckerchief next. That's going to be done with a darker shade of green. I'm going to be using green as well as yellow ochre there on his buckskin and his shoes. Alright, let's get this colored in here. Let's get that neckerchief. This is more of a blue-green, I should say. I see. Drawing is a skill that anyone can do, and that's one of the things I'm trying to show you here on my drawing channel. Anyone can draw. Me, you, that guy who lives across the street from you, that weird kid in school who eats paste. Anyone can draw. Alright, we're going to use yellow ochre here. Color in his buckskin shirt and the fringes on his shirt, as well as his buckskin pants and his sturdy shoes. As I said before, invest in some good quality markers if you're going to draw cartoons and comics and manga. And don't get those cheap ones from the dollar store. You'll go to a local art supply store, be it an independent place or maybe a chain like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. If you don't have any of those, you can always go online. You know, Dick Blick has a lot of good supplies, as does Amazon. Finish getting in his buckskin shirt, then we'll move on to the buckskin pants. There we go. Now you see how good that's starting to look there? Alright, let's get a little bit more light here. I'm going to adjust the windows. Alright. No, not that way. Yeah, that's better. Alright, let's get this finished up here. After that, I'm just going to add a few details here. From what I understand, also, buckskin, they tended to wear that in the cooler climates. In reality, if you're in a hot climate, yeah, probably buckskin isn't a good thing to wear, contrary to what you see in many Western movies. Yeah, this is a fashion that many of the hunters and trappers and mountain men copied from the native peoples. Many people out west copied this too from them. And there we go. Now for some finishing touches, just going to add a little bit of a shadow here. I'm going to whip out this calligraphy chisel-tipped fine liner pen. Alright, there we go. There we go. You see how good that looks? All we got to do now is sign this, and then we're done. Pull out the pilot pen, sign the work. And there we are. There's Ace, done in marker and pen. That's another day of my 30-day drawing challenge done. Subscribe to my drawing channel today. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, this is your old pal Max West saying goodbye.